Punjab launches nation's first evidence-based anti-drug school curriculum from August 1st. KIIT World School celebrates Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav, honoring India's linguistic and cultural unity. UK universities engage Indian students in Delhi ahead of September intake, emphasizes careers and global values. Amazon offers 6 free tech courses for students and professionals in 2025. University of Bristol to open first overseas campus in Mumbai by 2026 with UGC approval. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top headlines are: the Punjab government will launch an anti-drug curriculum in government schools for class 9 to 12 on August 1st under Youth Nashaya Virudh campaign developed by Nobel laureate Professor Abhijit Banerjee led by J-PAL South Asia. The initiative will cover 3,658 schools, train 6,500 teachers and impact around 8 lakh students. The curriculum includes fortnightly 35-minute session for 27 weeks with interactive content focused on myth-busting, peer pressure resistance and decision-making. Trials in Amritsar and Taran showed significant results, including a rise in awareness of addiction risks and a drop in common myths. Education Minister Bains said that the classroom-based approach marks India's first statewide evidence-backed effort. Additionally, over 23,000 drug peddlers have been arrested and over 1,000 kg of heroin seized. KIIT World School Pitampura celebrated Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav from July 23 to August 1st, 2025, highlighting India's rich linguistic and cultural heritage. The week-long event featured student-led performances, script-based activities, and presentations in Gurumukhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Gujarati. Students showcased storytelling, calligraphy, folk songs, classical dances, and poetry representing states like Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Kerala and Maharashtra. A special highlight was a role play segment where students embodied regional characters and historical figures, celebrating India's linguistic unity in diversity. Classroom and assembly activities emphasized inclusivity and national pride. The celebration reflected the school's commitment to fostering cultural awareness and respect among students, making the event not just educational and engaging but heartfelt tribute to India's multilingual identity. 10 UK universities met over 140 Indian students in New Delhi at a pre-departure event titled Great Aspirations, Great Careers, Great Britain, hosted by the British Council and One Step Global. The gathering focused on linking UK education to long-term career outcomes, featuring insights from academic leaders and industry experts from the World Bank, Pearson, Standard Chartered, and more. Participating universities included Sussex, Reading, Lancaster, Bradford, and Westminster. Students received guidance on courses choices, professional networking, and employability. British Council Deputy Director Michelle Hoglett urged students to embrace the UK experience fully, while One Step Global's Artura Ghosla emphasized the need for connect to education with future careers. The event aimed to ensure students being in their UK journey informed, confident, and globally connected. Amazon Web Service AWS has launched 6 free online tech courses in 2025 aimed at students and professionals exploring cloud, AI, and analytics. The lineup includes AWS Cloud Quest, Cloud Practitioner, a gamified introduction to the AWS tool like EC2 and S3 for beginners. Machine Learning Plans prepares aspirants for AI careers and AWS certification, while Data Analytics Learning Plan trains users in secure, scalable data insights. DevOps Engineers Learning Plan and Getting Started with DevOps on AWS offer CI/CD training with one suited for quick learners. Lastly, Machine Learning Terminology and Process simplifies ML concepts in just an hour. No prior experience is required, only curiosity, commitment, and internet access, making it a valuable upskilling opportunity across career stages. The University Grants Commission has approved the UK's University of Bristol to establish its first international campus in Mumbai, set to launch in summer 2026. Ranked 51st in the QS World University Ranking 2026, Bristol chose Mumbai for its prominence in technology, innovation and the arts. The announcement was made during NEP 2020 anniversary in New Delhi. Initial courses will include data science, economics, fintech, immersive arts and AI, with scholarships planned. Other foreign universities setting up campuses in India include New York, Aberdeen, UWA, Illinois Tech and IED. Additionally, Western Sydney, Victoria and La Trobe universities from Australia have received letters of intent to establish campuses in Greater Noida and Bengaluru under new UGC regulations.